If you're having trouble unlocking multiplayer features in Elden Ring, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to playing with friends in no time. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can prevent you from accessing online features. Test your connection by visiting other online services or running a speed test. Step 2. Update the game. Make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs and improve multiplayer functionality. Check your gaming platform store or launcher for any available updates. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for missing or corrupted files and replaces them, which can resolve multiplayer issues. Step 4. Adjust network settings. Check your NAT type in your network settings. A strict NAT type can hinder multiplayer connections. If necessary, adjust your router settings to enable UPnP port forwarding for Elden Ring. Step 5. Restart the game in console/PC. Sometimes, simply restarting the game or your gaming device can resolve connectivity issues. Close the game completely, restart your console or PC, and then launch the game again to see if the multiplayer features are accessible. By following these steps, you should be able to unlock and enjoy the multiplayer features in Elden Ring. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance. Happy gaming!